Hey guys, I'm just opening up a brand new X3 camera that I got through the Insta360 repair program, and I paid less than $100 for it. I'll tell you about the repair process, but let's take a look at how I damaged my original X3. It's a beautiful day hiking in the mountains. The rear lens connected with those rocks with a decent amount of force. After I cleaned the lens, only a small scratch remained. I was able to continue using the X3 on that hike. I emailed Insta360 that night. They asked me for a camera serial number and proof of purchase. They then replied that I should reach out again when I was done traveling and ready to send the camera in. I continued traveling and captured some of my best footage despite the scratched lens. I got this zipline video that's been my most popular YouTube short so far. I also took it swimming, I took it underwater. It continued to work really well and I could hardly notice the scratch.
Good. Sweat.
I nearly damaged the lens again, and as you can see, I was doing something very similar. And this time I got lucky. Only the camera frame connected with those rocks. You really need to be careful with these types of situations. When I finally got home, I opened up our email exchange, and the next step was to fill out a repair request form on the Insta360 website. I had to pay the shipping, and I sent it priority, which cost me $50. When Insta360 received the camera, they sent me a confirmation email. The next day I received another email with a repair quote. I was quoted $108 for the lens repair and $20 for return shipping, minus a 10% discount. I paid the invoice and a few hours later received an email saying a new camera was being shipped to me. So here it is. I sent it in this little sleeve to protect it. They sent that back to me. I also had a screen cover for the front touchscreen. Obviously they did not return that, but I do have a spare one.